In our previous video we learned how to generate initial renderings, starting from an architectural boundary line drawing. Now, let's move on to further analysis, switching between seasons to adjust atmospheres and analyzing the rendered outputs. First, we can rate the adjust atmospheres we created in the last video. Click the plus sign and select rating. The system will automatically score the generated renderings. Next, pick one high score image for further refinement. Click the plus icon, choose image. Open the preset prompt menu and select building performance analysis. Pick your desired architectural analysis function. Then select either the banana or GPD channel and hit generate. Repeat this process several times and you will get various types of analytical renderings. What if I want to analyze surrounding vegetation? No worries, keep watching. Within the same preset prompt menu, select landscape spatial analysis and pick your target analysis function. Choose the GPD channel and click generate, and you will obtain different analytical diagrams. You can also go back to the renderings from our previous session for cross-verification in the same way. Pretty fast and convenient, right? Then we can obtain various analysis diagrams with highly creative design aesthetics.